In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a notification pop-up to Framer. We'll accomplish this task using code snippets and the embed component built into the Framer editor. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is acquire the embed code for the notification pop-up. Visit a third-party widget service such as Common Ninja or any other you're comfortable with, select or create your desired notification pop-up. Copy the provided code snippet offered at the service platform. This is the code you'd require to add the pop-up to Framer. Once you have the necessary embed code copied, the next step is to switch back to the Framer editor. Visualize your project layout and ascertain where you'd want to position the notification pop-up. Once that's settled, head on to the top bar and click on the Insert option. As soon as you click on Insert, a left-hand panel opens up with different components that you can add to your canvas. From this slew of components, we want the Embed component. Using your cursor, drag and drop this component onto your canvas, specifically onto the part of your canvas where you'd like your notification pop-up to appear. With the Embed component now on your canvas, we proceed to inject the snippet code you'd copied earlier from the third-party service website. In the Framer editor, once you've selected the Embed component, its properties will be made present in the right-hand panel. In the Properties option, search for the HTML option. Click on it. Now you'll see a text box. This box is where you enter the embed code you'd received from the third-party service. Paste the code you copied earlier into this text box. And there you have it. You have now successfully added a notification pop-up to your Framer editor. This can certainly help in enhancing the interactive experience of your design. Whether you're aiming to solicit feedback or let users know about updates, strategically placed notification pop-ups are a great tool to use. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting and honing your skills in Framer.